Have you ever just wanted to pick up an instrument and just start playing your favorite songs without spending months learning complex finger shapes and dealing with sore fingertips? This is the Liber C1. It's being called the world's first stringless smart music product. In this video, I'm going to show you if this device actually lets you play music from day one, or if it's just another gadget for your shelf. Let's get into it. My name is Patrick, and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. Today, we're looking at the LiberLive C1. Full disclosure, LiberLive did reach out to me and provided this unit for review. However, they're not seeing this video before it goes up. All my opinions are my own. Now, right out of the box, the C1 feels like a premium piece of kit. It's made of a mix of ABS and PC composite materials with anodized sandblasted aluminum alloy for those metallic parts. Now, it's got a solid weight to it at about 3.9 pounds, and it features a very clever foldable design. Now, one thing I'll note is unfolding this actually is a two-step process. So you want to make sure you lock both sections into place before you start playing. Now, instead of your traditional strings, you're looking at a chord pad interface on the neck and a dual paddle system on the body. Now, the idea here is that you simply tap the chords, and then on the left hand, no painful finger placement required, and then you flick the paddle or use the finger picking tab on your right hand to trigger some sounds. Now, it's designed to emulate and feel like a 6-string acoustic guitar, but it also supports piano and bass tones as well. Now, the C1 is essentially a full band in your hands. Now, you can add drum styles and real-time bass backing, and then reshape your sound with style packs across 4 different genres. Now, it has built-in speakers, 20-watt subwoofer, and 5-watt tweeter, which sounds surprisingly full for a portable device like this. Now, in terms of endurance, the battery life gives you about 6 hours using the internal speakers, or up to 12 hours if you're using an external headphones or the line out itself. So let me take you through some basic operations on how to get started. Now, the first thing I'll point out is at the top of the neck, you have your key change dial. And this is labeled C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Some of you may be asking, what if I want to play in C sharp, B flat, F sharp? Well, you can change your key and everything can be done through the app. So let's go through the app here and let me change this to, let's say, C sharp here. So now the C1 is in C sharp. And if I change the key here through the dial, it'll just overwrite that again. So now we're back to C. But the basic operation is we have our left hand here with the chords. This is labeled C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B minor. And this is where your knowledge of chord progressions can come in, especially if you want to play in a different key and you're just playing casually. But here we have C, and I just press it down, and I can play a C chord by just hitting the paddle. And this right paddle here, by default, is a strum pattern here. And then this left paddle here is a picking pattern. And back to the strum pattern. And that's how you get started. But you can change to different kind of tones here. So let me go into the app here and let's go to see if we can change our style here. So let me go back to our guitar setting here and go into style setup. And so this part refers to our right paddle. So let me change it to something called strange. That's set the beats per minute to 130. And then I'll keep the basic chord pattern or picking pattern to the basic picking pattern. And now if I play it, so we can change to different tones, and this is really fun to just start playing. You have to get to know the tones, and like any instrument, you really got to practice to get to know your instrument. because there are different strumming patterns and even how you hit the paddles depending on the tone itself. But one of the big selling points of the C1 is the ability to play along with popular songs and even sing along while you play. Now, I'm not going to sing in this video, but let's choose a song and I'll show you what I mean. Let's choose, how about 1,000 Years by Katy Perry here. And as you can see, it's telling me to play, the first chord is a C chord. And on the C1 itself, it's actually lighting up the C chord here as well. And as I play along and go to the next chords, I can actually just look at the neck of the guitar and just play along, even without looking at the app. But the app does have the next chords, and it also has the words if you're just wanting to sing along as well. So let's say I'm going to start with C, and this is more of a picking song, so I'm going to mainly be using the left paddle here. But as you can see, it's really easy to follow along. And the reason why I like looking at the app itself is to kind of see what chords are coming up. But you could really just kind of be playing guitar here and just kind of see what chords are coming up. So how does this actually feel to play? For someone with zero musical background, it's incredibly accessible. You can literally be playing along to a track in minutes. But what if you're like me and you actually do have a music background, and I actually do play acoustic guitar? Well, you really have to think of the LiberLive C1 as a separate and different instrument. Yes, it's trying to emulate an acoustic guitar, but it is a different instrument. Now, if you do have a music background, that's great. You can actually use those skills into this instrument here. Things like chord progressions, tempo, and beat makes it very helpful and makes using this instrument really fun. So what's the verdict? At a price point of $339, it's a significant investment. But if you compare the cost of traditional lessons or high-end acoustic setups, the value is right there for the right person. If you're a singer-songwriter who just wants a portable way to accompany yourself, or a beginner who's been intimidated by traditional instruments, the LiberLive C1 is a fantastic tool. Now, it's not trying to replace your traditional guitar, but it's in its own category, the smart music product designed to make music more accessible to everyone. Now, thanks again to LiberLive for sending this out to me. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Consider hitting that subscribe button. My name is Patrick, and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. Until the next one, see ya.